In this video, I will show you how to get Bullx private key and import it to your Phantom wallet. To get started, go ahead and open Bullx on your device. Click on the left sidebar on your screen, and on the sidebar, you'll be able to find the Wallet Manager tab. So click on that Wallet Manager tab. So in here, go ahead and add another Solana wallet by hitting on that new button at the top right of this specific table. Now go ahead and copy the private key of your wallet, and after that you can go ahead and head over into Phantom wallet. On Phantom wallet, go ahead and click on the top left corner of your screen and click on add or connect wallet. After that, go ahead and select import private key, and in here go ahead and paste that copied private key into the private key section and create a name for that specific wallet. And after that, you'll be able to successfully connect your Bullx Neo wallet into your Phantom wallet account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like. And if you have any other questions, go ahead and enter them in the comments down below.